Hello students, welcome to the class of third year of Computer and Information Technology. We are studying the CSS subject, that is client side scripting, and the subject code is 22519. And now we will see the today's video's learning outcomes. The today's video's learning outcomes are strings. We are on the chapter number 2, means we are studying the array functions and the strings. In the previous videos we have learned about the arrays and functions. Now today we will going to learn about the strings. There are so many string functions, string methods and string properties. So one by one we will learn it. So first is our manipulating a string, then joining a string, now we will see one by one. So first we will see what is string in JavaScript. So string is a primitive data type in JavaScript. A string is a textual content. It must be enclosed in a single or double quotation marks. So string can be described by string literal. So first we will see what is by string literal. The string literal is created using double quotes. The syntax of creating string using string literal is where string name equal to in double quotation string value. So example is equal to where car name is equal to alto. This is in single quotation and this is in double quotation. Now by string object using new keyword. Syntax for using new keyword is where means variable, string name, new is a keyword, and string literal. Example, where s1 is equal to new string, this may be in empty string, and where s1 is equal to new string in the double quotation dmpc. This is by object, means by string object, and this is by string literal. Means in this example we can assign a variable and we can assign that particular variable to the particular string, but in this by string object we will going to use the new keyword. Using new keyword we have to declare a string. So first topic of our video is manipulating a string. There are string properties and methods for manipulating a string. So first we will see what are the properties. The first property is constructor. It returns the string's constructor functions. Second is length. It returns the length of a string. And third is prototype. It allows you to add properties and method to an object. Now we will see one by one these string methods. These are the method and these are the description for this method. First is our character at function. It returns the character at the specified index, means specified position. Next is character code at. Return Unicode of the character at the specified index. Next is concat. Concat means concatenation, means join two or more string and return a new join string. Ends with. Check whether a string ends with specified string or character. Now next is from char code. It converts the Unicode value to the characters. includes checks whether a string contains a specified string or character. Index of return the position of the first found occurrence of the specified value in the string. Then last index of return the position of the last found occurrence of a specified value in a string. Local compare compares two strings in the current local. Match searches a string for a match against a regular expression and returns the matches. Repeat returns a new string with a specified number of copies of an existing string. Next is replace. Searches a string for a specified value or a regular expression and returns a new string where the specified value is replaced. Now next is search. Searches a string for a specified value or regular expression and returns the position of the match. Slice. Extract a part of a string and returns a new string. Split. Splits a string into an array of substring. Start with. Check whether a string begins with the specified characters. Then substring. Extract the character from a string beginning at the specified start position and through the specified number of a character. Then next is substring. So substring extract the characters from a string between the two specified indices. To local lowercase. Converts a string to lowercase letter according to the host local. To local uppercase. Convert a string to uppercase letters according to the host local. To lowercase. Convert a string to the lowercase letters. To string. It returns the value of a string object. Then next is to uppercase. It converts a string to uppercase letters. Then next is trim. Removes the white space from the both ends of the string. Value of. It returns the primitive value of a string object. These methods we will going to learn these methods with detail in the next videos or in the next topic. Means these are only the list of this method and the short description of this method. This method will be explained by syntax, with example, by executing program and with the proper description. This is only the list of the methods and the description. So, you have to remember that all the string method return a new value. Means if substring. So substring return a new value. They do not changes the original value. It do not change the original value. Means if string ABC and XYZ are there, then ABC and XYZ remain same, but after giving this function substring, it will extract the character from the string which is specified from that string only, but actual string remains same as it is, and it returns a new value as a substring. So we will see this method in detail one by one. So first, this is the program for JavaScript string length property. Length property calculate the length of the string. So this is the program. Doc type HTML head title JavaScript string length property. Then body. In the body there is a script tag. Then this is val str equal to new string, and here our string is in double quotation string Devi Mahalakshmi Polytechnic. So it will print the length of this string. So document.write string length is string.str.length. This is the property. This is the property of a string. So we have to demonstrate the use of the property of this length, string of the length. Then I saved it as a sln.html. Then after executing this program, we will get this output. So string length is 25. Okay. So our next topic is the joining a string. This method adds two or more string and returns a new single string. The concat method is used to join two or more string. This method does not change the existing string but returns a new string containing the text of the joined string. The syntax for this concatenation is string.concat in the bracket string 1, string 2 up to string x. String 2 and string x, these are the string to be concatenated, and it will return the single concatenated string. Then example, variable str1 is equal to hello, variable str2 is equal to world. So where res means result is equal to str1 dot concat in the bracket str2. So output of this is hello world. This is a simple example for joining a string. Now we will see this example. JavaScript string concat method. So as usual, our HTML head in the title, again head close, body tag, in the script tag where str1 is equal to new string, this is a string 1. Then where str2 equal to new string, this is a string 2. This is a string 1 and this is a string 2 are the strings. Where str3 is equal to str1 dot concat in the parenthesis str2 semicolon. Then we have to print this concatenated string. We have to write this statement. Document.write concatenated string is str3. So our output is this string is 1 and this is string 2. This is string 1 and this is string 2. These two strings are concatenated. Now we will see the another example for the string concatenation. I have put it in our college name, that is string 1 Devi, string 2 Mahalakshmi, string 3 Polytechnic. Then after these different strings, I have to clear string 4 is equal to string 1 plus string 3, means string 1 is Devi and string 3 is Polytechnic. So first output is Devi Polytechnic. Then in the string 5 the result is stored of str2 concat str3, means string 2 and string 3 is concatenated. Then in the string 6 str1 dot concat string 2 and string 3, means in this last statement, in the last string, that is str6, we are concatenating all these string using this str1 dot concat in the bracket str2 comma str3. So after that we will print the result for str4, str5 and str6. So the result is, means output is First is Devi Polytechnic, means STR1 plus STR3. Then next is STR5. STR5 means Mahalakshmi Polytechnic, means this one and this one. And after this STR6, it concat all these strings, means Devi Mahalakshmi Polytechnic. This is the string concatenation method. So we will see now some MCQs. Which of the following function of string object returns the character of specified index? There are the options: character at, character code at, concat, index of. A is character at. Which built-in method returns the length of the string? A length, B size, C index, D none of above. Length means length of string calculated by the length method. Now next is which built-in method combines the text of two strings and return a new string? Append, concat, attach, none of above. So answer is concat. These are the MCQs for the string functions, string method. Now the rest of string methods we will learn in next videos. Thank you.